Hello everyone. So the question given is, let the function f r2r be defined by x equals to x cube minus x square plus bracket of x minus 1 into sin x, and let g r2r be an arbitrary function. Let fg r2r be the product function defined by fg of x equals to f of x into g of x. Then which of the following statements is our? Now the answer is option A and C. Solution f r2r. Now f of x equals to x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 into sin x, and g r2r h of x equals to f of x into g of x, which is equals to x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 into sin of x into g of x. Now h dash of 1 plus equals to limit h tends to 0 1 plus h का whole cube minus of 1 plus h का whole square plus h into sin of 1 plus h into g of 1 plus h upon h. Limit h tends to 0 1 plus h cube plus 3h square minus 1 minus h square minus 2h plus h sin h 1 plus h into g of 1 plus h upon h. When we solve this, we will get limit h tends to 0 equals to 1 plus sin of 1 plus h into g of 1 plus h. Now h dash of 1 minus equals to limit h tends to 0 1 minus h का whole cube minus 1 minus h का whole square plus minus of h minus 1 sin of 1 minus h to g of 1 minus h upon minus h. When we will solve this, we will get limit h tends to 0 bracket 1 plus sin bracket 1 minus h into g of 1 minus h. As g of x is constant at x equals to 1, therefore g of 1 plus h equals to g of 1 minus h, which is equals to g of 1. Therefore h dash of 1 plus equals to h dash of 1 minus, which is equals to 1 plus sin of 1 g of 1. Therefore option A is correct.